what physical activities do you do and how has it been wearing a Hairsystem? So on a more regular basis, I am biking to work, so I wear a helmet for that, or I'm rock climbing, where you sweat a lot and you kind of have the opportunity of getting chalk in your hair. Regardless of both of those two main activities, it's been fine. But other things I've done, I've also gone skiing and snowboarding, so that involves like, again, more helmets and like your head just being really hot, and the system's been fine that way. I've gone surfing before, and again, like I was terrified that if I were to get dunked on the water, it would fall off. So when I would fall, it would fall like this. But after the first few times, it was fine, and so then I could worry more about the board and it not flying away from me. But I think like whatever you throw at it, the system should be fine. Again, you want to have that 24-hour grace period where you don't really do anything in either hot, humid weather, or you're not like a ton of physical activity because you want the adhesive to settle and go to its full cure. But other than that, I think you can pretty much do anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.